Become YouTuber has not everyone cup of tea, but I can become because trust my own. And last session, I in my last session I share so many things, that's in life lesson related, education related, and at all. So please watch the till video, watch video till end. Okay. And if I talk about life lesson, so please make yourself keep happy and active. सोच ऐसी रखनी है कि जो नहीं आता वो मैं सीख लूँगी, सीखने के बाद कर लूँगी. बिकॉज एवरी वन हैज़ बिकॉज whichever we want to do, so we have to focus this, we have to think this morning, evening, afternoon, just like these thoughts going on our mind. Okay. And if you are good, if you are good learner, if you are good speaker, if you are good listener, so trust me and trust you, definitely you will be achieve whatever you want to do. Like me, I have trust by my own. And yes, whichever I want to do, I will definitely achieve this thing in upcoming 2025. Okay. So मेरा भाई कल मेरे घर आने वाला था, बट ड्यू टू वेदर वो नहीं आया. My brother was about to come to my home last day, but due to reason he could not come to my home. बट उसने कॉल भी नहीं किया, मैं उसके कॉल का वेट कर रही थी. बट ही डिडंट कॉल टू मी, आई वॉज वेटिंग हिम कॉल. उसने कॉल तो करना ही चाहिए था. ही शुड कॉल टू मी. ही शुड कॉल टू मी. देन मेरे भाई ने नेक्स्ट डे कॉल करके बताया कि इस कारण से मैं नहीं आ पाया, और इसके अगले 10 दिन पे मैं नहीं आ पाऊँगा क्योंकि मुझे बहुत सारा काम है. सो सॉरी फॉर टेल यू दैट मैं नेक्स्ट मंथ आने का ट्राई करूँगा. बट that day I don't know why he doesn't call to me. But next day he called to me and said due to some reason I could not come to your home, and next 8 days I will not come even because I have so much work, because this is the month end, because the month end is going on. That's the reason I could not come to your home. So I will think about this next month. So मैंने उसको बताया ओके as your wish. Then I said him okay as your wish, no problem. Then between I can say last day मैंने कुछ वीडियोस देखा जो वीडियो रियलिटी था. So I can say this thing, I can say every of thing translate in English. One of family member was going on out for taking dinner, and they belong to very middle class family. He and she both are husband wife, and there has one elder son and one elder daughter. So four of was going to stop, and both are they was listening, they was talking with we can't we have to not go out for taking dinner because because restaurant bills is not affordable for us. So her husband said her husband said don't worry, today is your birthday and we celebrate Mia's birthday and my birthday, so why we not celebrate your birthday, we can celebrate, please keep quiet and sit on the rickshaw and go there. So they dropped there, so rickshaw man dropped them, and they entered there. So he while going her saying took a birthday cake, and after enter there. So one of men said please keep cake here because outfoot food not allowed here. So he said okay, then he kept and he go upside and sit on the chair. So someone thinking what should we do, what should we order because of bill. So it is totally depend on real family, it is totally depend on those who belong to middle class family, like this happening. बिकॉज जो भी अगर मिडिल क्लास फैमिली से बिलोंग करते हैं वो लोग जाते हैं तो सबसे पहले वो बिल्स देखते हैं कि कितना बिल होगा या हुआ है, लाइक दैट. आई वॉच दैट वीडियो, सो आई रिकॉग्नाइज यस I had seen in my real life also. So again we come back to translation. So कल मेरे घर एक टीवी आया, नया टीवी था, बट वो चालू नहीं हो रहा था. लास्ट डे आई बॉट न्यू टीवी, देन आई सेट अप, बट दिस टीवी had not start to on. But that TV had not ready to start to on. सो मैंने इमिडिएटली कॉल किया कंपनी में. उन्होंने एक बॉय को घर भिजवाया. देन उसने विद इन अ मिनट्स में टीवी स्टार्ट कर दिया. देन आई कॉल टू कंपनी. देन कंपनी सेंड टू वन बॉय टू माई होम एंड ही केम टू माई होम एंड ही विद इन एंड ही स्विच ऑन द टीवी एंड डोंट विथाउट टेक अ सो मच टाइम, जस्ट विद इन अ टाइम ही स्विच ऑन द टीवी. जब मैंने उससे पूछा कि कितना हुआ तो उसने मना किया. देन आई आस्क्ड हिम हाउ मच, सो ही रिफ्यूज मी. नो पे, डोंट यू हैव टू, नो यू डोंट नीड टू पे एनीथिंग बिकॉज इट इज़ अ कंपनीज फैसिलिटी. सो आई सेड ओके. देन ही वेंट. आफ्टर दैट सम गेस्ट, मेरे घर कुछ मेहमान आए. उन्होंने भी मेरे साथ एक मूवी देखने का प्लान किया. लेकिन उससे पहले मैंने खाना बनाया. हम सब ने खाना खाया, फ़न किया, कॉन्वर्सेशन किया. हम सबको किसी से कॉल आता है, हमने कॉल पे बात किया. फिर हम पिक्चर देखने बैठ गए. देन सम गेस्ट केम टू माई होम. Then we decided we will watch movie together, but before this we have to cook something. So I made something for dinner. Then we sit on the same one place and talk with each other and fun with each other. We took conversation at least 1 hour because after a long time we meet each other. Then someone called to us, so we talk them. Then we sit for dinner. After taking dinner we sit for watch movie. So like this, yes, last day it's complete. Like this last day I completed to routine. Next conversation. एक दिन एक लड़का पार्किंग में बॉल खेल रहा था. वन डे इन आवर पार्किंग वन बॉय प्लेइंग हिम बॉल. मैंने जाकर उससे पूछा आप अकेले क्यों खेलते हो. देन आई वेंट टू हर एंड आई आस्क्ड हिम वाई आर यू प्लेइंग अलोन. सो उसने बताया मुझे अकेला खेलना पसंद है एंड हियर इज़ नो वन टू माई एज. यहाँ पर कोई मेरे जैसा नहीं है. आई लाइक टू प्ले by my own and here is no one to my same age. That's the reason I come here every day and I play with ball alone. So मैं फिर शॉप गई. शॉप में देखा तो वहाँ कोई भी नहीं था, लाइक शॉपकीपर नहीं था. फिर मैंने वहाँ वेट किया. देन आई वेंट फॉर शॉप लाइक दिस शॉप नियर बाय आवर अपार्टमेंट. Then I was standing there at least 10 minutes because there are no one. जैसे ही वो आए तो मैंने उनसे पूछा आप कहाँ गए थे, क्यों गए थे, और हम यहाँ पर कब से खड़े. नॉट ओनली मी, समवन ऑल्सो स्टैंडिंग देयर. सो whenever he came to him shop, so immediately I asked him where did you go and why did you go. So he said I have to some work, that's the reason I go. मैं पहली बार गया, इसके पहले मैं कभी इतना टाइम बाहर नहीं गया शॉप छोड़कर. फर्स्ट टाइम आई वेंट आउट first time I went out for much time. Apart from that I never go except to this. So I said don't worry, then whichever we want to buy we buy. We bought and someone also studying there, so also someone also bought and हम अपने अपने घर गए. then we go back our home. So yeah guys, I hope you getting my point and you watched the video till end. So thanks for this. I have some work, so in real I'm not making any story. I have some work because it's 11 am, so I have to make lunch and we take lunch together because my husband also on holiday today. So and Shlok, so I like, as you know, I have one kid and he's about 4-year-old. So and his Christmas vacation also going on, so I have to go and attend them. So I hope you understand whatever thing I said in that video, and please keep listening, keep watching, and keep doing activity. I will make next video and I will add on that in that video so many things regarding share market, regarding life lesson, regarding education, regarding Chanakya Niten and all. So bye till end.